you'll take down mountains of work and with less effort when you equip your one-family tractor with our easy-to-attach Quik-Park Loader. Attach and detach takes less than 3 minutes. Then add a bucket, blade, or other pin-on loader attachment and get to work. And when it comes to loader work, you need a tractor with plenty of strength and power, and that's just what you get with the One family. Heavy-duty Yanmar diesel engines deliver reliable, efficient power. You'll find proven Yanmar engines in equipment working around the clock. Add to that a heavy-duty hydrostatic transmission and responsive high-performance hydraulics, a productive loader lift height of over 71 inches, and lifting and loading gravel, soil, sand, and other material is almost effortless. To demonstrate how the One family outmuscles the competition with more lifting power and strength, we'll match it up head-to-head with the Kubota BX tractor. First, we'll compare breakout and rollback power and tractor stability by positioning the 1025R tractor in this test fixture. As you see, we've secured the front lip of the bucket. We've attached this digital readout to measure the amount of force being exerted during breakout and rollback. When properly ballasted for safety and stability, a minimum of 25% of the tractor loader material weight should remain on the rear axle when breaking out and rolling back the bucket. With the engine at full throttle and the bucket secured, the operator engages the loader control, just like you would after pushing into heavy material like gravel. From the readout, you can see the 1 Series tractor exerts 1,110 pounds of breakout force. When the operator rolls back the bucket, you see that the 1025R provides more than 1,300 pounds of force. Now, we'll place the Kubota BX in the same test with the same ballast. With the engine at full throttle, the operator will again engage the loader controls. From the readout, you can see the Kubota BX tractor exerts 788 pounds of breakout force, and when the operator rolls back the bucket, the Kubota can only muster 930 pounds of force. That's 394 fewer pounds, or 30% less force than the 1025R. When it comes to loader performance, the advantage goes to John Deere. As we've proven with these tests, the One family subcompact tractors give you the lifting power and breakout force you need to tackle all your heavy-duty loader chores around your property.